Hi there. My name is Robert Earl, and I've been in real estate for nearly 25 years. And I want to share with you today the 5 steps to getting your real estate license in the state of Texas. Now, getting your real estate license in the state of Texas requires 5 main steps. 1 is completing your real estate course. 2 is your exams. 3 is your state requirements and registrations. 4 is joining a brokerage. And number 5 is business training. A lot of real estate videos are only going to talk about the real estate course, the exams, and the state requirements and registration. I'm going to take a little bit more time and go into the key steps, number 4 and number 5, to help you hit the ground started. Now, I've been in real estate nearly 25 years, and I've never seen a better time to get into real estate. Let me explain. The industry is shifting, and that creates opportunity. And in times of change, new agents who start out with the right training and the right mindset, they gain traction quicker than those that are stuck in their old ways. You see, you're not behind. You're entering at the perfect time to learn the new rules of success. People are getting into real estate for the freedom, the flexibility, and the financial reward. While corporate jobs are calling people back to the office, we have flexible hours, unlimited income potential, and the ability to be our own boss in real estate. Real estate is one of the top career choices for people that are looking to take control of their own future, especially in this current job market. With training, tools, and coaching, they've never been better. You no longer have to figure it out alone. With step-by-step online licensing, modern tools, and access to world-class coaching, your path to becoming a successful agent is clearer than it has ever been before. Now, Texas is going to require you to go through a 180-hour real estate course. And I have some links to some online courses that are approved in the state of Texas down in the description. You can see the description in the comments for these links. Now let's talk about the real estate course. The real estate course is going to teach you the legal basics to protect the public. The course ensures that you understand real estate laws, contracts, and ethics so you can operate legally and responsibly. The course is also designed to prepare you to pass the licensing exam. That's the primary goal of the course, is to help you memorize the materials needed to get your license, not to teach you how to build a real estate business. Your real estate license in this course is your entry ticket. It is not your success plan. Completing the course will get you in the door, but what you do after licensing determines whether you thrive or just survive. So the second key is the exams. And I bring up exams in a plural basis because the 180-hour course will require an end of course exam, and then there will be an independent state/national exam at a testing center. This is the key for you to get the sample test questions. And all of the courses that we are offering and have links to down below give you the opportunity to get an exam prep module. And so the links for those are in the description. Make sure that you sign up for and get the sample test questions. The third step are the state requirements for the state of Texas. You must make an application with the state for your sales agent license. You must submit your fingerprints for a background check. You must successfully pass the Texas real estate licensing exam that I spoke of. You have to affiliate with a brokerage that is willing to sponsor you, and they have to be a Texas real estate brokerage in good standing. And then your first renewal period will require you to do 98 hours of instruction. Your local real estate office will provide you with all of the details for every step of the state requirements. So let's talk about real estate brokerages and how brokerages are different. You see, training is not legally required by the state, just the license for the brokerage and for you to have the license. See, brokerages are not obligated to teach you how to generate leads or how to close deals, and most importantly then, cash checks. Most brokerages are focused on compliance, not on business success. They'll make sure that you follow the rules, but they won't show you how to build a business. You're expected to figure it out on your own or sink. Unlike any new venture without structure, training, or coaching, many agents are lost before they ever get going. You're going to have a decision as to whether or not you want to strictly be a real estate agent or whether or not you want to be a true business owner. The typical real estate company, there's no training or mentorship. Agents are left to figure it out on their own with YouTube videos or online portals or PDFs. And with online settings, there's a lack of community and culture. There's no collaboration, no support, just isolation or a virtual inbox or virtual help desk. They'll sell you the splits, but not the success. When you're first getting into real estate, low fees and low splits will sound great until you realize that there is very little help behind it to help you actually grow your business. And I don't care how low your fees or your split are, if you're not actually selling homes, it really doesn't matter. You see, the key is step 5 is to really look and get business training and learn how to build a real estate business and not just close deals. The right company teaches you how to think like a business owner from day one so that you can create consistent income and not just chase commissions. A successful business training will also focus on a culture of collaboration. You'll be able to join an office where top agents want to help you succeed, not just compete against you. The office will also allow you to plug into proven systems, models, and coaching. You see, success leaves clues. I've figured that out over my years in business. And having a step-by-step playbook instead of just winging it is critical, especially in today's real estate market. See, I know what I'm talking about, and I have a video, it'll pop up here in just a second, about the 21 real estate mistakes that I made when I first got started in business that cost me nearly 6 figures. I don't want you to make the same mistakes. See, who you're in business with matters, and that's why I ended up choosing and staying with, not the first company I chose, it was the second company. I made a mistake the first go around when I actually joined Keller Williams. And here are some of the numbers and figures of our success as recently as 2024. You see, training is key. New agent training, including Ignite, which if you subscribe to this channel, you'll have access to those Ignite sessions. Hands-on experience versus just virtual or cloud-based training. This is very, very important because that office structure provides you with a support structure that is tangible and that assists you as a new agent getting up and running. This allows you to do role play and real play, and it's built into the training schedule. Also, a level of coaching is very, very vital for your business success. coaching focused on skills, growth, your mindset, marketing, especially in today's social media era, building relationships versus just having transactions, and a level of accountability. So you see, the rules have changed, and these 5 steps are very critical to you not only getting your real estate license in the state of Texas, but also being successful as a business person. The video description has a link for you to request our step-by-step guide that'll not only get you the information about real estate schools, but connect you with a top award-winning real estate office in your area. I appreciate you taking the time, and I wish you nothing but success.